I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dolls that I grew beside, all the niggas brown, hide and they die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Chris, man. I've been gone for a long time, but I had to lock in for my degree, but you know, we back now. We got a little live trading video. Trying to see what we can get, man. It's 9:15. Couple setups. We got UJ. We got EU. And that's low key all I got, honestly. Everything else is kind of. Now I know what some of y'all are thinking on this UJ trade. It's super high, right? The only reason why I got it marked up is because I ain't gonna show you on TradingView until the end if I actually take it, but we have some equal highs here from earlier this week on Monday that got to be taken out, or that can't be taken out, I should say. So that's the only reason I like it. It's liquidity above that makes sense, right? I mean, if it runs all the way there, you know, if it gets there, it'll be about a 70 pip move to take them out. But yeah, it's definitely invalid on TradingView. So only thing I would look at on UJ is probably this. Play the reversal. You better show me some love, bro. You owe me. EU definitely owes me for that sell yesterday, bro. I'm just gonna sell. We in for the sale, bro. That's close enough. My entry, you edited on TradingView. I've been trying to be cute with entries before, bro, and just missed the trade because I've been trying to be cute. So it's about a 2 pip stop loss. If it ends up losing, then you know, whatever, bro. It's literally $30. And of course, win, lose, or draw, man. We'll do a little trade breakdown at the end of this trade. Actually, I think once we break the $60 mark, because that's halfway to well, right now. All right, stop loss is going to break even, bro. We're gonna go risk free on the trade. If this trade comes back, it'll be the great. Like, I'm telling you right now, if this trade comes back and stops me and break even, EU will be done, bruh. It sold me yesterday, and if it sells me today, I swear. This is looking good, bro. I do feel like the draw on liquidity is lower, so we gonna hold this, man. We gonna hold this. We up 100 so far. So one thing I'm working on for sure is like when you see certain numbers, right? You be so ready to hit the close, but I'm ready to close, I'm ready to close, I'm ready to close. Like, no, bro. You gotta let the trade do its thing, man. All right, we at 120. TP1 is that black line, bro. Like, that's the lowest hanging fruit ever for liquidity. Ain't no way, bro. I'm telling y'all, EU on thin ice. It do something stupid, it do something funny, it's over for EU. I'm telling you right now. It do something funny in this trade, it's over for it. I ain't gonna lie. And I low-key feel like I can break my record on this trade, man. Most I ever made on the trade was like 175. I feel like the draw on liquidity is lower, bro. I really do feel that. I could very well be wrong though. I think I'm gonna close one just to secure some profit. I don't like how it's reacting every time it gets down there, bro. Like every time it gets down, it just keeps coming back. I don't know what I want to do, bro. All right, so we secured like 50. And we still pushing, man. All right, that's TP1. I'm about to close. All right, man. TP hit, bro. I know I talked about like holding for my record, but honestly, bro, I don't want to be so caught up on breaking my record. I want it to happen just naturally. This could very well just keep on dropping. But it is what it is, bro. Nice little dub on EU. It didn't redeem itself for yesterday because yesterday was it was wild, bro. But it didn't redeem itself fully, but it definitely saved itself from getting cut today. So that's all I got on this video, man. Good TP. I'm gone. Alright, so let's get into this trade breakdown, man. As y'all can see, after I got out the trade, it came all the way back up to almost to my entry and then sold off again. So that's irritating. But you know, we walked away with some money. So the reasons for this trade were, number one, all right, we got a supply here. Okay, matter of fact, let me just delete all this and just redraw it so y'all can know what's going on in my head. So as we can clearly see, like, we're in a downtrend, right? We took out this high right here, took out that high right here, liquidity start pushing down, boom. We got a, where's my little, there it is, right? So we broke structure here, broke this structure, broke this structure. So at this point, guys, we are literally just following structure, right? We're breaking structure. We shouldn't really be looking for buys, honestly, until this high right here gets taken out, in my opinion. Right now, of course, you can always hop on the lower time frame and probably catch a change of the trend early, but from my point of view, I was like, I'm just gonna go with the trend, bro. So I'm like, okay, let's see where we can potentially sell from. Well, earlier this morning, at like 8:30, well 8:25, 8:30. I had this marked up. It was news coming out at 8:30. I was like, it'll either hit this and bounce and go, or it may just blast through the zone. It didn't do either of that. It just shot straight down. So I'm like, okay, let me see. Let me make sure we're not taking out any liquidity. Well, I see we didn't take out any liquidity, like any sell side liquidity, like any prominent sell side liquidity. Like you could say this, but I ain't counting that. So I'm like, okay, let's just wait for it to get back to the zone. We get back to the zone. Obviously, we start rejecting now. Of course, I don't wait for the break of the candle. I get in as soon as it enters, well, as soon as it hits the zone. I was kind of waiting just a little bit though. I didn't get in on this first candle that tapped because there was a lot of bullish momentum in that candle, and I was like, oh, it could just break. But once I saw that it kind of rejected, I was like, okay, I'm cool. I can get in on this second candle. So we got in literally, as y'all saw, like at the top of this wick. I mean, it was like sniper, bro. Like it was crazy. Stop loss above the zone. TP was this low, bro, and hang on, this low, tripping. TP was at that low. As soon as we got it, I was out of there. Another confluence that this trade had was, if we look at GU, right? First one, let me mark on this. I don't got the paid version of TradingView, so I can't go in replay mode and I can't have split screen, but I'm gonna get it one of these days. So as we can see, we made a higher high on GU from 8:30 or 8:25 to 10:20. But if I go on GU, right, that 8:25 candle, let's go right back to that same candle, right, that same high. We made a lower low, right? That is what we call SMT divergence. SMT stands for smart money trap. So when I saw that, usually like you would take the weaker one. So in this case, GU would be considered the weaker one. However, since EU was out of supply, I was more than confident in just taking that trade anyway. So that was just more confluence. And I believe the DXY was out of demand. No, it wasn't. It was, it just disrespected the demand. Either way, bro, we caught the dub on that trade. That was literally it, man. Supply with a breaking structure, following the trend, SMT divergence, get in as soon as it enters the zone, and take our, take our little 1 to 5. That was a little 1 to 5 trade. So shout out EU. You didn't redeem yourself, but you didn't get yourself cut either. So I guess a win is a win. That's all I got for y'all in this video, man. I'll catch y'all in the next one.